everyone. I am going to deal how the speech organs work in English. So this topic is from the 4th semester syllabus Language and Linguistics, the line paper. So what is a language? The language is a system of communication in speech and writing that is used by people of particular country. So we have many speculations and guesses about the origin of human language. Certainly, so there are two forms in a language, the written form and the spoken form. And also it is evident that the spoken language is developed long before the written language. The system of sounds that the human beings used to express their ideas, feelings and thoughts is the spoken language. So in the spoken language, that is, there are so many organs involved to produce the desired sounds in order to communicate. Okay, so let us see how the speech organs helped in to produce the speech sounds. How do speech organs work? There are many organs involved in the production of speech sounds. They are generally called vocal organs or organs of speech. Most of these organs are involving in some other purposes also. For example, tongue is used for tasting and nose is used for smelling and other things. So apart from producing the sounds, helping in producing the sound, so these organs, they are doing some other purposes for the human being. Okay. So then, and the organs of the speech can be studied under three headings and in three systems. One is the respiratory system, second one is the phonatory system, the third one is the articulatory system. So let us see one by one how each and every system functions in producing the sounds. The first system, that is the respiratory system. The respiratory system is known as the breathing system. It comprises the lungs, the windpipe, it is called as the trachea, and muscles of the chest. So there are these are the three organs in the respiratory system which help to produce the sounds. So there are two processes in the respiratory system. One is the inspiration, the other one is the expiration. So what is the inspiration? Inspiration means drawing in the air and the expiration is the exhaling the air. So when the sound is produced, when you drawing the in, when you drawing the air in, it is called the ingressive sounds. And when the sound is produced, when you expelling the air, it is called the ingressive sound. It is interesting to note that all the English sounds are the aggressive sounds. That is, the sound is produced when the air is drawing out. That is, it is expelled out. So all the English sounds are called as the pulmonic aggressive sound. Or the English sounds, that is, there are 44 sounds, 26 alphabets, and all the 44 sounds are the pulmonic aggressive sounds. Okay, now let us see the third one, the second one, the phonatory system. This system comprises the larynx, that is generally called the Adam's apple. This one, the Adam's apple. The larynx contains a pair of lip-like structures. So these lip-like structures are called vocal cords. When the vocal cords are opened, so they wide open, they produce the voiceless sound. When the vocal cords are closed, they produce the voice sounds. So the voice sounds are vibrate. For example, consonant p, t and k, that is pen, kin, then tin. So these are all the voiceless sounds. Then b, d and g. Ball, girl, ball, doll and girl. So when you print, the vocal cords are closed and they vibrate. So they are voiced sounds. The rate of vibration is the frequency of gives the frequency of vibration. So this is the thing you should know about the second system, the pulmonary system. The third system is the articulatory system. The articulatory system consists of the nose, the teeth, the tongue, the roof of the mouth and the lips. The convex part of the roof of the mouth behind the upper front teeth is called the alveolar, that is the teeth ridge. Immediately after the teeth ridge, the roof of the mouth becomes concave and it is hard and bony. It is called the hard palate. The roof then becomes soft and fleshy. It is called soft palate. So that is hard palate, bony structure, and the flesh part is called the soft palate or velum. The fleshy structure of the hanging loose, the fleshy structure hanging loose at the end of the mouth is called vulva. That is, vulva is the putinaak, we can say it in putinaak, that is called vulva. The soft palate, what is the function of the soft palate? The soft palate acts as a valve to open and close the nasal passage. If the nasal passage is opened, by lowering the soft palate, the air passes through the nose and the sound is called the nasal sounds. So that is examples, yam, yen and nye. That is man, nun, sing. So these are all the nasal sounds. If the nasal passage is closed by raising the velum, the air passes through the mouth and the sound produced is the oral sound. The next organ is the tongue. The tongue is a very important organ. It is divided into 5 parts. The tip of the tongue, the blade of the tongue, the front portion of the tongue, the center portion of the tongue, the back portion of the tongue, and these are all the 5 parts. So the next organ is the lips. The lips play an important role in the production of sounds. They are very helpful in producing the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. So already we know that there are 26 alphabets and 44 sounds. Out of the 44 sounds, 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. And the 24 consonants and the 12 vowel sounds again divided into 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs. And 24 consonants, they are divided into plosives and fricatives, affricates, like that. So here, when you produce these vowel sounds and the consonant sounds, the lips take 3 positions. One is the spread position, the other one is the neutral position, then yet another one is the round position. It is very necessary to know a thorough knowledge on the organs of speech in studying the speech systems. Thank you.